mine. It's actually become a little mini tradition on my channel. This is my 3rd year in a row. Mother's Day in the USA is on May 13th, everybody. Don't forget about your mama. Give her a ginormous hug and make sure to give her one of these gifts. If you're new here, hey, hi, hello. Join my hashtag Subby Squad and click the big red subscribe button down below. Also, be sure to turn post notifications on so you'll never miss any of my uploads. So if you're going to need any more inspiration, you can check out my past 2 DIY Mother's Day gift idea videos. I'm going to link them both in my description box. Okay then, if you guys want to see some adorable DIY gift ideas, then just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, I love this DIY. It's an adorable heartfelt mug, but what really makes it special is the technique that we're using. Just go onto Google and type in mom quote, Mother's Day quote, anything like that. I came across this one that I really love, and you just want to cut it out and flip it over. On the back side, you just want to shade it in with a pencil, and I recommend going pretty heavy because we want a good transfer.
Yeah, you used to call me baby, now you're calling me by name.
Then all you have to do is trace the words, and this is amazing, you guys. Remove it and you have a complete outline. I recommend outlining using just a regular Sharpie and then filling it in using the oil-based Sharpie. By using an oil-based Sharpie, it is dishwasher safe and you don't have to worry about it ever coming off. Let it sit for a few hours and then bake it in the oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes.
But you need it, yeah, you need it all of the time, yeah.
So on to DIY number 3. I know. You're probably thinking bath bombs. Been there, done that. But trust me, because these are pretty special. I was really tight on time, so I just used this kit I found at Target, but you can make your own mixture and follow recipes online. The real DIY is what we're doing right now. So you just want to take a piece of paper and cut a little strip and then write whatever message you want on there. Fold it up and you're going to put it inside this little tiny vending machine. Cute in a little jar, and I couldn't help myself. I had to try it out, and it was so fun to see that there was a hidden surprise in there.
Don't even try. I got a new place in Cali, but I'm gone every night.
And the last DIY gift idea is Lush inspired. You're going to need transparent soap, soap colorants, fragrance, glitter, and a mold. Don't know why I said it so weird. This is so easy. You just want to melt the transparent soap and then add in your colorant. I decided to go for some glitter, and I put glitter in there and fragrance, and then you just pour it inside the mold. I wanted this gradient kind of ombre look, so I only poured in the color halfway. I put books underneath one side to keep it from being level, and then just did the same thing for all the other colors.
I'll go out, kiss all of your friends, make your story and pretend it was me.
The result are these super pretty soaps that are totally Lush inspired, and I think every mother would absolutely love it.
Your mama raised you better than that.
Thank you guys so much for watching this year's Mother's Day video. Also, please leave me a comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!